Hi IndieGoGo! Today we would like to introduce you the N Sneak, an Arduino-powered self-controlled robot which is able to run around, look for objects, grab them, relocate them, and do many other useful, funny and brave things. The two driving wheels of this robot are powered by independently controlled DC motors, allowing for precise control of the angular position of the wheel, as well as its velocity and acceleration. The arm is run by 3 super strong servo motors, so it's fast and powerful enough to push up to 3 pounds or even lift the robot itself, or throw objects. The robot is also equipped with 3 infrared proximity meters that prevent it from colliding with obstacles and avoiding conflicts with other robots. Also, it assists in finding objects on the ground. You can also equip your robot with extra shields and sensors, as the robot's body has enough space for it. But the most impressive thing is that the robot runs as a fully independent unit. Thus, it can find and collect objects on the ground. It can chase and attack other robots. You can make it organize your living space, placing things back in a place whenever they are found where they should not be. In other words, you are only limited by your imagination. The robot software is completely open sourced, so you can either use the original software which has already been developed for you, or you can modify it as you please to meet your demands. You can then use commands like look for object, grab or throw instead of writing low-level code to control the sensors, motors and servos directly. Or develop your own way of thinking for the robot from scratch using the Arduino integrated development environment. No matter if you are an experienced programmer, a robotic fan or a school teacher who wants to make his pupils get interested with robotics, the N Sneak is a great way to learn about mechanics, electronics and programming, all in one. The robot is provided as a kit, containing everything you need to complete the assembly of the robot, including acrylic glass or aluminum laser cut body parts, along with DC motors with encoders, dual motor shield and wheels, arm power and service, infrared proximity meters, an Arduino MIGA 2560 control board, screws, nuts and spacers, tangent wheel and wheels, wires, connectors, breadboard and other minor parts. You will be provided with a full step-by-step tutorial explaining how to assemble your robot. Moreover, you will get the intermediate programming sketches which will help you to properly connect and test all the electronic parts one by one. We want to share the design and our experience building the N Sneak robot with developers all around the world. So, after the IndieGoGo campaign, the N Sneak robot in its entirety will be released to the public. The next version will be equipped with accelerometers for precise positioning of the robot. We will also add a CMOS camera and Bluetooth or Wi-Fi shields for interactive outboard optical object recognition, or even replace an Arduino controller with a Raspberry Pi microcomputer. However, all of this can only be done with your support, and we count on your participation as developer in the future. With your funding, we can make the N Sneak robot even better, more affordable and easily accessible to everyone.